The Signpost tool drops a labeled marker on a specific bar. It's a super clean way to flag an event right on the chart. And here's how you can use it on TradingView. Simply load up any chart and then head over to the left side of it. Go to Annotation Tools. Click here. Head down to Signpost. Now let's just mark out any bar. Let's go right here. Now you'll notice it seems kind of cramped right now, but the great thing about the Signpost tool is you can move it. Awesome. Now let's see. Let's add some text here. Let's just write sold here. Now this is anchored to that exact bar. So now let me scroll and you'll see what happens. It doesn't move anywhere. That's a main difference that it has from a text note. But it still looks kind of small, so let's change it up a little bit. Simply hover over it and double click. Now we can change the size of the text when you hover over right here, click, and let's go to 20. Let's make it bold as well. Awesome. You can even go to style and put an emoji here. Let's add another smiley face. Awesome. Have a great day, guys.